Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear the Windows updates history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type CMD. Click run as administrator over here and click yes guys. Now check my video description for these three commands guys. First go ahead and copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. Now go ahead and copy the second command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. Now go ahead and copy the third command and copy it and tap the bar, right click and eject and paste it in. Press enter guys. Now update service was started successfully versus not stopped and start. I just cleared out the Windows update history guys. Now go ahead and restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. Restart your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.